phonics short sound n n pen n ten n hen n den n men It is a pen. This is a hen. Look at the den. They are 10 hens. Look at the men. The men have a pen. A fox is in a den. The pigs are in the pen. A fat man has a hen in the pen. A fat cat sees a hen in the pen. Et. Et. Pet. Et. Wet. Et. Jet. Et. Net. Et. Vet. They are pets. I have a pet. This is a net. This is a wet net. This pet gets wet. I have a wet pet. This is a jet. I am a vet. Look, a pet is on a jet. Pam is a vet. Pam has a pet. ed, 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 bed, ed, red, ed, ted, ed, wed. This is a bed. It is Ted. This is a red bed. This is Ted. Ted is sad. Ted sat on the red bed. Ted is in the net. Pat fed a pet. A man fed a pet. This is Met. Met is a pet. Met gets a Ted in a net. Egg, egg. Egg, peg. Egg, keg. Egg, leg. Ebb, ebb. Ebb, web. It is a peg. This is a leg. It is a keg. A peg is on a keg. A red hen is on the keg. A pet naps on my lap. A leg is on a keg. A man sat on the keg. Look at the web on the bed. A fat cat sat on a red bed. My mom fed her pet. wet pet sat on a keg. The vet sees a bug on a pet. A net is on the red bed. What's this? It's a jet. What's this? It's a leg. What's this? It's a hen. What's this? It's a bed. What's this? It's a Ted. The word families. The N family. Hen, men, pen, den, ten. The Et family. Pet, vet, jet, wet, get. The Ed family. Bed, red, wed, fed. The Egg family. Leg, peg, keg, beg.
Thanks for watching. Click subscribe now to learn more English.